So welcome to this new topic, Isometries of the Plane. I am Miguel Tanchoco, also known as Pocoyo, as my character in this theme, and I will be teaching you the basics of isometries of the plane. Introduction. Isometries of the plane refer to transformations that preserve the shape and size of an object. In simpler terms, it means that if you take an object and apply an isometry to it, the resulting object will be congruent to the original object. Isometries can be seen in the design of snowflakes, and each branch of a snowflake is an isometric copy of the other. Kaleidoscopes use isometries to create symmetric patterns too. So you can see here, pareho yung kanilang pattern. Itong branch na to at saka yung branch na to, pareho lang sila, pero nag-iba lang sila ng position. So katulad dito rin sa kaleidoscope, ayun o, makita nyo dito na parehong-pareho sila pero iba lang ang kanilang location at saka position. So, in simpler terms, isometries of the plane, it preserves the shape lang uh, ng object at iniiba lang ang kanyang location at minsan pati ang size. So the plane can be manipulated in various ways, but only 5 types of isometries exist, namely translation, reflection, rotation, dilation, and glide reflection. These transformations are also referred to as rigid motion, except dilation, because it changes the size, not only the location. So, yung translation, reflection, at saka rotation, yung pinaka-main na ginagawa ng apat na yun is iniiba yung position ng object. Yung kaya sila sinasabing rigid motion. Pero yung dilation, hindi siya rigid motion kasi not only does it change the location, but it also changes its size. But it keeps the same shape, meaning congruent pa rin siya dun sa uh, original object. So translation is a type of transformation in geometry that involves moving a shape from one location to another location in a straight line without rotating or changing its shape or size. The distance and direction of the movement are specified by a vector. So makikita natin dito, nag-move lang siya ng isang direction, pero hindi siya nag-iba ng size. So a good example of this situation, so a good real-life example of this situation is when cars drive and move to one location to another in a straight line tulad nito. So hindi naman nag-iiba ang size at saka shape ng car. Nag-iiba lang ang kanyang location. Yan ang sinasabi natin translation. A reflection is a transformation in which a figure is flipped over a line called the line of reflection, such that the original figure and its image are mirror images of each other with respect to that line. So makikita natin dito, parang nga siya talagang minirror. Tapos yung lines dito, with respect to the line of reflection, ay congruent silang dalawa, yung kanilang distance from the line of reflection, para magkaroon sila ng flip over image, tapos congruent din yung distances nila from the line of reflection. So we can see here are real-life examples of reflection. So yung reflection nga talaga, so just like a mirror or like very still clear water, ay reflect lang talaga siya. Tapos andito yung kanyang line of reflection, tapos same shape, same size, pero different location na parang flip over siya. Tulad nito, pareho sila. Ayan, ganda. Next is rotation. In geometry, it is the process of turning a figure around a fixed point. So ito ang kanyang fixed point, known as the center of rotation, by a certain angle and direction. The figure stays the same shape and size and its orientation changes. So dito, nakastick lang siya dito sa center of rotation, yung tip niya, pero nagro-rotate siya by certain degrees. So sabihin natin x degrees. So nag-rotate siya ng x degrees at kaya siya napunta dito. Pero dito pa rin yung isang point niya dahil dito ang kanyang center of rotation. So a good example is yung parang hypnosis. Yung hypnosis na ginagamit. So kita nyo, nandito yung center of rotation niya. Tapos nagro-rotate yung mga objects around it. pero nakadikit pa rin dito yung kanilang tip at hindi nag-iiba ang kanilang shape, only the angle. So, sana ma-hypnotize na mabigyan ako ng mataas na grade sa GenMath. Anyways, next topic is dilation. Dilation is a transformation in geometry that changes the size of a figure, making it larger or smaller. It involves multiplying the coordinates of each point in a figure by a scale factor, which can be greater than or less than 1. The center of dilation is a fixed point around which the figure is scaled. So you could see here na gumamit sila ng lines para maging congruent pa rin ang kanyang shape to the original object. Pero nag-iiba lang ang kanyang location pati ang kanyang size. So makikita nyo dito, mas maliit siya kaysa dito, pero ay pareho pa rin sila, congruent pa rin sila. Parang sinimplify if you uh, if you think about it in fractions, parang sinimplify lang siya. Pero pareho pa rin yung kanilang value ba? Ganun. So, real life example is yung dilation. Makita nyo dito. Kaya nga, sinasabing your eyes dilate kung mas maraming light kasi nagda-dilate na talaga. So, hindi nag-iiba yung shape, pero nag-iiba ang kanyang size.